Alright folks, this is all for today. If you like this video and this type of content, please feel free to leave a like and comment on anything you saw or heard. And if you also want to see more of this stuff like plugin reviews, gear demos and other heavy metal related videos, definitely consider subscribing to my channel. If you want to directly support me, don't forget to listen to my instrumental solo album Musa and my hybrid practice band project Awareness EP. They're out now and they're all available on all digital platforms: iTunes, Spotify, Deezer, Tidal, you name it. As always, remember that you can download and listen to my opening tracks on my Bandcamp page. And if you're a bedroom producer like me, don't forget to take a look at my Facebook group, MSIMS and VST Plugins for Metalheads. It's a great community, it's growing more and more every day. There are more than 1,600 members now, and you always get updates for new VST Plugins releases. So once again folks, thanks for watching and see you next time!